show you how to easily and effortlessly create a beautiful classroom syllabus just like this or similar to this using ChatGPT. So here's one that I created. This is just an example. I used to teach Spanish beginning Spanish. So I've used this as an example and I gave it what I wanted. So the important thing is to tell ChatGPT exactly what it is you want. So you'll input the description, the materials you want, etc. Now here's another example of a syllabus that I created. And again, this is right here, generic. Notice that there's no expectations put in because you're going to input that, okay? Here's a sample post, sample prompt. So you're going to take this prompt and you're going to input it into ChatGPT with your information. So it's going to go ahead and output a generic syllabus, but in your case, make sure that you come back here and put your information. Now, if you don't want a QR code, make sure you remove that. If you want something else, like different graphics, then make sure you tailor it to whatever you want. But here is the sample prompt, all right? And then ChatGPT is going to do its thing. Okay, so here is the example of the syllabus that it created for us. That took, I would say about, I didn't exactly time it, but it was literally less than a minute. And as you can see, it's a little different than this one, so it'll get playful. But look at these beautiful syllabus. All of them are colorful and bright, and you can make it as creative. You can tell it the colors you want. And again, literally less than a minute, it created these syllabuses for me. I've created 3 now. I like having a scan. So if you want to add your own QR code, you would then have to take this and add it, upload it to Canva, and then add the QR code so that it can work. Because right now this one won't work. But anyway, that's just an example. If you want to learn how to use AI to save time and engage your students, I do have an entire course. It's called Must Have AI Tech Tools for World Language Teachers. By the way, I'm Rachel Lucas. So you can purchase a course individually or you can join the All Access Club. It's $10 a month and you get access to all of our courses and resources, no prep resources. So I hope you found that useful and let me know how you're planning to use AI in your classroom. You can join the Tech for World Language Teachers Facebook group and let us know there. Right? Adios.